As you can see, I went to the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This is the 46 millimeters. Go big or go home, right? Well, I went with the red hybrid leather band. So just slide this off and then lift that. Okay, so you get some paperwork in there. It'd be nice if they kept those ones anyway, so you'd have 2 pairs, but I guess that's fine. Okay, the watch is looking kind of dusty. Oh, heavy. Here's the watch. Kind of dusty. Oh, would you look at that?
Just look at it.
So there it is. Alright, I'm really happy with this combination. I think it looks brilliant. And that's how it looks on my tiny wrists compared to my Active 2.